in second year MBA, Manel Srinivasa Nayak Institute of Management, consider it an extreme privilege to stand before you as I welcome you all to the inauguration of State Level Intercollegiate Management and Cultural Fest EDIFY 2025 presents Kurukshetra. I now request the faculty coordinators to escort the dignitaries onto the dais. A day without prayer is a day without blessings, and a life without prayer is a life without power. Let us begin by invoking the blessings of Almighty. I request everyone to kindly rise for the prayer.
ज्ञानं श्रद्धावानिति नियम संचालन वनिता शोभा लभते ज्ञानं श्रद्धावानिति नियम संचालन वनिता शोभा ज्ञानदीपिका प्रेजेंट विद्या मंदिर संजय रंजनशीला ज्ञानदीपिका प्रेजेंट विद्या मंदिर संजय रंजनशीला वंदे शारदा सरि गा 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 गरि ग पा प पा प ग प नि 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 प नि सा स सा गरि स नि रि स नि प स नि प गा प नि गरि गरि स नि रि स नि प स नि प गा प नि गरि स नि प रि स नि प ग सा नि प गा प नि वंदे शारदा.
Now, to formally welcome you all and set the tone for today's event, I would like to invite Ms. Diya from first year MBA to introduce the guest and welcome the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. It is with great pleasure and immense respect that I welcome you all to EDIFY 2025, a state-level intercollegiate management and cultural fest. Before we begin, I would like to take a moment to welcome and introduce the distinguished individuals whose presence today adds immense value to this event. First and foremost, we are truly privileged to have with us a renowned figure whose name is synonymous with excellence in sports anchoring and event hosting. Our chief guest, Ms. Madhu Mailankodi, is a highly regarded sports anchor and event host known for her dynamic presence in the world of sports. She made history as the first anchor to go live on air when Star Sports 1 Kannada, the country's first and only dedicated Kannada sports channel, launched on December 29, 2018. Hailing from Kasaragod district, she pursued her pre-university, graduation and post-graduation in Mangalore and has masters in communication and media studies. Ms. Madhu has hosted hundreds of events and become a well-known figure in sports media industry. As Master of Ceremonies, she continues to travel across the globe for various types of events in addition to being a sports presenter. She also takes up seminars and workshops on public speaking at various institutions. She has been an anchor for some of the biggest events such as India Premier League, Pro Kabaddi League, Premier Badminton League, Indian Premier League, and even the prestigious ICC Cricket World Cup 2019. Today, Madhu continues to be an inspiration to many, particularly in the world of sports broadcasting. She loves exploring various parts of the world, especially the mountains. Currently based out of Mumbai with her contract at Star Sports based on assignments, she resides in Mangalore or Kasaragod in her free time. Currently on a week break from IPL, she humbly obliged to join with us today. Let us all welcome Ms. Madhu Mailankodi, our chief guest for the day. I now would like to request our esteemed director, Dr. Molly S. Chowdhury, to welcome our chief guest. The president for today's event, Mr. Jeevandas Narayan, is someone whose contribution to the banking sector are truly commendable. Mr. Jeevandas Narayan is a highly accomplished banking professional with an extensive career in the financial services industry. He retired from the State Bank of India in 2016 after holding various senior positions, including the Managing Director of State Bank of Travancore. His career began in 1978 as a probationary officer at SBI, and over the years, he rose through the ranks to become the Chief General Manager of SBI Patna Circle and ultimately the Managing Director of State Bank of Travancore. Following his retirement from SBI, Mr. Jeevandas Narayan took on a leadership role in the housing finance sector. He was appointed as Additional Director of Manappuram Home Finance Limited in recognition of his remarkable contribution to BFSI sector. Mr. Jeevandas Narayan was ranked among the top 40 CEOs in the BT PwC list of India's top 40 CEOs from the BFSI sector in 2016. He is currently an independent director on the board of Karnataka Bank Limited. Mr. Jeevandas Narayan's expertise extends beyond banking. He is a prominent member of the governing body of MSNIM and currently serves as a Vice President of Women's National Education Society. Mr. Jeevandas Narayan's rich experience and dedication to service continue to inspire in the fields of banking, corporate governance, and education. We welcome you, sir. I now request our correspondent, Mr. Ajit Kamath, to kindly welcome that. We have with us someone whose experience in the industrial sector is vast and exemplary. Mr. Ajit Kamath K is an accomplished mechanical engineer and a successful entrepreneur within over 25 years of experience in the industrial sector. He is the owner of Ajit Enterprises. He is actively involved in the Confederation of Indian Industry, CII, where he serves as a Vice President of Mangalore region. In addition to his professional achievements, Mr. Kamath is committed to social service and serves as a correspondent for the Nalanda Group of Institutions in Mangalore. Contributing to the betterment of the community, in addition to his professional achievements, Mr. Ajit Kamath K is a correspondent of MSNIM, where he has been a strong supporter of our institution. He has provided valuable internship opportunities to numerous students, helping them gain hands-on industry experience and furthering their careers. He is also a member of Women's National Education Society. His extensive experience, leadership roles, and dedication to both business and social cause make him a highly respected figure in this field. We welcome you, sir. We are also honored to have our beloved director, Dr. Molly S. Chowdhury, with us today, whose vision and leadership continue to inspire us all. Dr. Molly S. Chowdhury's dedication to forecasting growth, development, and academic excellence within this institution is evident in the success of events like EDIFY 2025. Ma'am, your presence truly adds to the significance of this event, and we are incredibly grateful for your time, guidance, and unwavering support. I would also like to welcome Mr. Shambhat, the head of TCS Ion Center. We also extend a warm welcome to the esteemed members of the press and media who play an essential role in spreading the word and sharing glimpses of these events to the world. Lastly, but certainly not least, I would like to welcome all the students of MSNIM who are gathered here today. You are the heart and soul of this event, and it is your enthusiasm, creativity, and passion of this event makes this event, the EDIFY 2025, possible. We are proud of each and every one of you, and we look forward to seeing the brilliance you will share with us throughout this event. Once again, I extend a heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. Let's look forward to an inspiring and memorable day ahead. Thank you.
The lamp is not only the source of life, but also a symbol of enlightenment and life. I request our chief guest, Ms. Madhu Mailan Kodi, and all other dignitaries and the guests to light the lamp and inaugurate today's program. I request staff and student coordinators to kindly join.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय.
We are privileged to have with us today a distinguished personality, Ms. Madhu Mailan Kodi, the sports presenter of Star Sports, who has graced us with her presence as our chief guest. May I now request Madam to address the gathering.
A very good morning to everyone, to the panel of dignitaries who have been accompanying me on stage. Molly ma'am, Jeevandas sir, Mr. Kamath sir, and to everybody who is here backstage as well as amongst the audience in the form of students, faculties, the press and the media. A very good morning. And when I was invited, or rather when my availability was being checked to be a part of this wonderful event today, I just realized that it was not long ago I was a part of the audience, just like the most of you, taking part in Intercollegiate Fest as a student, something that I was very passionate about right since my pre-university times, that as much as academics was important to me, I always wanted to be a part of extracurricular activities in areas of my interest, for the very fact that it gave me exposure to the world and exposure to fellow competitors and peers from other institutions. I'm being told that today at EDIFY 2025 presenting Kurukshetra, there are about 25 odd institutions that are taking part from various parts of not just Dakshin Kannada district but also Udupi and the neighboring districts. That itself gives each one of you an opportunity to learn so much more. Kurukshetra, of course, in the context of mythology and history, is a war, but there are so many life lessons that can be derived out of every war, out of every life situation. And I think this wonderful event gives you that opportunity to learn so much from people around you and to take away positives that can be implied in the years ahead to come or in the months ahead to come, so that when you throw yourself into a sea full of opportunities, especially in terms of recruitment or your jobs, all of you are much better than what you currently are. Self-improvement is the best thing that can happen to you, and these intercollegiate fests give you that opportunity. For me to just recollect and think as to how intercollegiate events help me, there are both, just for me to gather around, I am being told that this for the first time that both the undergraduates and postgraduates are combining under one roof for various, not just business management related competitions, but also culturals. That's a perfect blend that can happen, because I'm sure even in a student who's pursuing his or her master's in business administration, there is a singer, there could be a dancer, there could be a music director, there could be somebody who's good with the computers. So an ample sample of good competitors who can get together and brainstorm, perhaps become friends. So these intercollegiate fests are, I think, the best part of your college life that you shouldn't be missing out on. How many of you amongst the audience here are actually participating? No matter what the, no matter be it management or be it culturals. None of you are taking part, is it? This is such a lazy, lame hand lifting, no? I mean, beginning of the day, I think you can like, all right, that's a good number. Please clap for yourselves first. Feel like it's like a morning, right? Thank you so much. Now I feel like I'm in a college. Otherwise, it gave me a feel of I'm in a very corporate event where everybody is so rigid. This is the time that you should be energetic, be full of life, try to contribute to the college that you are studying in. Because end of the day, of course, each one of us wants to be champions. We could lose, but don't be that person who gives up even before you start your journey. So please be energetic throughout the 2 days. Give this event your best, because if you emerge as a winner, nothing like it. And even if you don't, you're still going to be learning so much. And I hope Kurukshetra and EDIFY give you that platform, that all of you go back as an advanced version of yourself after taking part in the various contests that are being held, be it the culturals or be it the management sector. So wishing not just the participants, but also the organizers and everybody the best of life. Please remember to keep a smile on no matter what. And yes, the world is certainly going to be a better place. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring and insightful address. Your words will undoubtedly leave a lasting impact on all of us. Now I would like to call upon the guiding force behind this endeavor, Mr. Ajit Kamath, correspondent MSNIM, to speak a few words on this occasion.
We just had a star and a sports commentator giving you a a good brief about how we have to compete in the competition, and I'm feeling nervous now. Yeah. Yeah, EDIFY, I believe we have just completed our 25 years of MSNIM, and I believe, I'm made to believe it is the 24th edition. I would have rather had EDIFY 24.0 mentioned in our logo itself. We all know it's a two-day fest with both management and creativity blended together. And I believe the crowd is from both undergrad as well as PG students. And this is one of the best forum for you to network, learn from peers, compete with your peers, learn how the other colleges are also having talent. Lot of deals can be done, and I think in future you will be meeting the same person in probably in your workforce, when your course of employment, or in further education too. And I also wish all the best to all the students who have come here, and also congratulate our students as well as organizers to having prepared this event. And all the best to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your unwavering support and inspiring words. I would now like to request Mr. Jivandas Narayan, President, Women's National Education Society, and the President of today's function to deliver the presidential remarks.
Chief guest of today's function, Ms. Madhu Mailankodi, Mr. Ajit Kamath, our correspondent and member of the Governing Council of WNES, Dr. Moli Chaudhary, our director, all the faculty members here, and students not only from our institute but from other institutions based in Mangalore. Very warm welcome and good morning to all of you. In fact, I was very happy the way, or rather, energized the way Madhu made all of you, clap, because initially when I saw some people were making an attempt to slowly lift their hands and all that, and some people required a lot of encouragement to lift their hands, but then she created a lot of energy. But I perhaps anticipated that. That's why, I have put some people here and there who will clap on cue, So I should get at least half of that claps which you got, right? So please clap even if you don't like what I say. Yeah. Now I wanted to talk about, something on AI and maybe, the skill upgradation which needs to happen with students, and a lot of about wisdom and, experience and all that stuff. But then seeing the mood of the crowd, and you're also just, looking at your watches as to when this thing will be over so that you can get into the business per se. I don't want to take too much of your time. But the word Kurukshetra brings out certain, images, certain, what I would say, equations in my mind. I'm sure all of you know what Kurukshetra is. This could be some sort of a quiz. How many of you know what is Kurukshetra? Where is it located? Uttar Pradesh. Sure? Haryana. Who said Haryana? What happened in Kurukshetra? War. Between whom? India, Pakistan. Pandavas and Kauravas. Okay. Good answer. Are Pandavas and Kauravas related to each other? Yes. What is the nature of the relationship? Sorry? Brothers. Would cousins be a better word? Cousins or brothers? Cousin brothers. Good. Not bad. Fine. So what is the difference between Pandavas and Kauravas? Sorry? Please, some of the backbenchers, the best among the lot sometimes take backbench. What is the difference between Pandavas and Kauravas?
Pandava, actually the fighting was to acquire the land, but the Pandavas were more towards Dharma and Kauravas were more towards Adharma.
Sorry, I didn't get. More towards Dharma.
Dharma.
And they are Adharma. Okay. I'll tell you a short story, and with that I end my speech. In fact, Duryodhan, of course, based in Hastinapura, and I think Pandavas Indraprastha, Duryodhan went and asked Lord Krishna. You know who is Lord Krishna, isn't it? I need not explain. As to why people are calling us bad, why all the time we are painted as evil or bad. So he says, you want the answer? I'll give you the answer. So he calls Pandavas also, Dhritarashtra being the eldest of Kauravas and Yudhishthira being of the Pandavas. So he tells Yudhishthira, kindly go and find somebody evil in your kingdom and come back by tomorrow. Similarly, he tells Dhritarashtra, so he asks Duryodhana, is there anybody good in you have brought somebody? He says, no sir, I have not brought anybody. Why? I couldn't find anybody good in my kingdom. Everybody is bad. So he asked then the other man, that is Yudhishthira, on behalf of Pandavas. So, have you brought anybody who is bad in your kingdom? He says, no sir, I don't have anybody bad in my kingdom. So then Krishna turns to Duryodhana and tells you, you have your answer. See, if you are good to yourself, if you are not self-conceited, but you are only self-confident, you will always see good in others. So that is why Yudhishthira could not find anybody bad in his kingdom. He could only see good in others. Whereas Duryodhana, being what he is, self-conceited, he could only see the bad side of people, so he couldn't find anybody good in his kingdom. Now you know what is good and bad. So nothing is absolute, it's a way you view the world. If you are good to others, if you are self-confident but not self-conceited, I think you will appreciate to see the good in others. And if you are self-conceited, you think that, see, there is a slight difference between self-conceit and self-confidence. If you think you are the best, good. But if you think I am the best, there is nobody else who is good, then it becomes self-conceit. So Duryodhana could not find any good in others, and Yudhishthira could not find any bad in others. So this is the lesson of Kurukshetra. So all the very best to you in the next 2 days. When you fight this battle between good and evil, you remember that even though you are good, it doesn't mean that there are no good in others. There are no others who are not as good or even better than you. We need to accept that. And all the very best in this battle for each one of you who is participating in this. Good day.
I now request Ms. Kritika Bhatt from second year MBA to propose the vote of thanks.
As we express our gratitude, we must never forget the highest appreciation in not to utter words, but to live by them. Good morning, respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, faculty members, and dear students. It is a privilege for me to extend a vote of thanks on this special occasion. On behalf of Manel Srinivasa Nayak Institute of Management, I express my sincere gratitude to all who have contributed to making this inauguration a success. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt appreciation to our chief guest, Ms. Madhumailan Kodi, for taking time out of her busy schedule to grace this occasion with her presence. Your insightful words and valuable perspectives have truly enriched our gathering. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to request Ms. Jivandas Narayan to kindly present a memento to Ms. Madhumailan Kodi. Thank you, sir. A special thanks to Mr. Jivandas Narayan, a Vice President, a Women's National Education Society, for sharing his wisdom and inspiring us. Your presence has added a great value for this event. Thank you, sir. I would also like to express our deepest gratitude to our correspondent, Mr. Ajit Kamath, for gracing the occasion. Thank you, sir. Sincere thanks to our esteemed director, Dr. Mauli S. Chowdhury, for her constant support and guidance. Thank you, ma'am. Heartfelt thanks to Mr. Shambhat, the head TCS ION Center, for gracing the occasion. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to news and media personnel for conveying this event. Our deepest gratitude to all the participants of various institutes and their respective faculty for participating in this fest. Heartfelt thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff of MSNIM for continuous support. Last but not the least, I would thank all my dear friends for your active participation. Thank you, one and all.
As we have now come to the end of today's inaugural ceremony of EDIFY 2025, I request the faculty coordinators to escort the dignitaries to be seated among the audience as we have a small surprise in store.
സമയം നിലയ്ക്കുവാനൊരുക്കമല്ലേ ഇത് നിൻസുദിനമല്ലേ ആർമാദം ആർക്കും മർമാദം ആർക്കു പൊന്തട്ടെ ആഘോഷ പ്രകമ്പനം ആർമാദം ആർക്കും മർമാദം ആർക്കു പൊന്തട്ടെ ആഘോഷ പ്രകമ്പനം ആർമാദം ആർക്കും മർമാദം ആർക്കു പൊന്തട്ടെ ആഘോഷ പ്രകമ്പനം झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस यह मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू यह मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू यह मेरा वाला डांस
अगल बंदन पूजी इगल बंदन पूजी ना पावे पंदोडो एन नले पोडोटा अगल बंदन पूजी इगल बंदन पूजी ना पावे पंदोडो एन नले पोडोटा कुल्लुतो नले पोडो माने नगरके मुक्तकुत नले पोडो माने नगरके कुल्लुतो नले पोडो माने नगरके मुक्तकुत नले पोडो माने नगरके
for the memorable photograph with the trophies.
For the next 2 days, we have the following events lined up. As I call the events, I call the event coordinators to kindly come forward. In management events, we have Chaduranga Finance, Meda Samhita, Human Resource, Chakravyuha Marketing, Maharati Best Manager, Yugma Shakti Best Management Team, Prashnavali Business Quiz. In cultural events, we have Saptaswara Sangama singing, Chitranjali reel making, Bujabala arm wrestling, Neel Parinaksh mehendi, Mukha Chitranam face painting, Ranarang gully cricket, Nritya Manjari dance, group dance, Veera Marana BGMI, Yaksha Prashna treasure hunt. And we have our main student coordinators, Amog, Shreya Mahale, cultural coordinators, Moksha and Sudarshan. And the faculty coordinators, Mrs. Satvika Shetty and Mr. Sanat Bhandarkar.
It is my privilege to welcome our judge, Mr. G. Muralidhar Kamath sir. Sir is a graduate from University College. He is well recognized by many schools and colleges for his talents, often performing in their annual day celebrations. Sir is known for his versatility as a singer, performing bhajans, filmy songs in different regional languages, and being skilled in Bhangra and ballet. With over 300 stage performances, he has showcased his talents extensively. Professionally, Sir is a music director proficient in playing various instruments such as the harmonium, keyboard, tabla, congo and drums. He has received accolades and titles like Drummer Murali and Bondi Sander. His outstanding personality has been acknowledged with awards like Vishwa Konkani Sammelana Young Achiever Awards in 2003 and District Rajyotsava Award in 2010. Sir has rich experience span of over 35 years in music, making him a notable figure in the music industry. On behalf of the institute, student and staffs, I extend a heartily welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, Maitri. I now request Dr. Diksha from first year MBA to welcome and introduce Mrs. Rachna Kamath.
It is my privilege to welcome our judge, Mrs. Rachana R. Kamath. She started singing at the age of 5 and has completed her degree and master in St. Aloysius College. She is having a teaching experience of more than 22 years in Canara High School. Mrs. Rachana has participated in many competitions conducted by taluk level, district level and state level. She has been awarded Bala Pratibha Award in 1988. She has also secured state level award in 2006 and 2007 and also awarded Lion Idol Award in 2021 and Kanaka Award in 2022. She has given many programs in Karwar, Donimalai and many places in Mangalore. On behalf of the institute, staff and student, I extend a hearty welcome to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Diksha. We now begin with the event. All the best to all the participants.
ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಂಬಲಿಸಿದೆ ಮನ ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಂಬಲಿಸಿದೆ ಮನ ಮನ ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ
ಪಥಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿವ ತೊರೆಯು ನಾನು ಎಂದಿಗಾದರೂ ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲನು ಸೇರಬಲ್ಲೆನೇನು ಜಟಿಲ ಕಾನನದ ಕುಟಿಲ ಪಥಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿವ ತೊರೆಯು ನಾನು ಎಂದಿಗಾದರೂ ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲನು ಸೇರಬಲ್ಲೆನೇನು ಸೇರಬಹುದೇ ನಾನು ಕಡಲ ನೀಲಿಯೋಳು ಕರಗಬಹುದೇ ನಾನು ಕರಗಬಹುದೇ ನಾನು ಕರಗಬಹುದೇ ನಾನು
मेरे मने बता दे तू किसी और चलाए तू क्या पाया नहीं तूने क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू जो है अनकही जो है अनसुनी वो बात क्या है बता मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा खुद से तो ना तू छुपा मेरे मने बता दे तू किसी और चराए तू क्या पाया नहीं तूने क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू जो है अनकही जो है अनसुनी वो बात क्या है बता मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा खुद से तो ना तो छुपा गम पनी निसा गम पद सदनी निदा दपा पदमा गम पनी निसा 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 गम पद सदनी धनि धनि निदा 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 नि पद 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 निसा निदा निदा पामा मितवा जीवन नगर 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 प्रेम नगर में हो जीवन नगर में प्रेम नगर में आया नजर में जब से कोई है तू सोच चाहे तू पूछता है जिसकी कमी थी आए वही है आए वही है आए वही है तू एक प्यासा और ये नदी है गाए नहीं किसको तू सबको बुलाए जो है अनकही जो है अनसुनी वो बात क्या है बता मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा खुद से तो ना तू छुपा सुनी, वो बात क्या है बता मितवा, कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा, तुझसे तो ना तू झुका। थैंक यू।
ಆವು ಈ ವಿನ ನಾವು ನೀವಿಗೆ ಆನುತ್ತಾನಾದ ತಂದನ ನಾನು ನೀನಿನ ಈ ನೀ ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೇನು ಜಾಣಿನ. ಆವು ಈ ವಿನ ನಾವು ನೀವಿಗೆ ಆನುತ್ತಾನಾದ ತಂದನ ನಾನು ನೀನಿನ ಈ ನೀ ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೇನು ಜಾಣಿನ. ಚಾರುತಂತ್ರಿಯ ಚರಣ ಚರಣದ ಘನ ಘನಿತ ಚತುರ ಸ್ವನ ಹತ್ತವೋ ಹಿತ್ತವೋ ಅನಾಥ ಇತಿಗೆ ಮಿತಿ ಇತಿ ನನ್ನ ಬೆನ್ನಿ ನಾನಿಗೆ ಚಂದನ ಜನಿಗೆ ಮನವೇ ಸಹಿತ ಸ್ತನ. ಆವು ಈ ಬಿನ ನಾವು ನೀವಿಗೆ ಆನುತ್ತಾನಾದ ತನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೀನಿನ ಈ ನೀ ನಾನಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಣಿನ. ಚಿತಿ ಮಳಿ ತತ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದು ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಮುತ್ತಿನೊಳಗ, ಚಿತಿ ಮಳಿ ತತ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದು ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಮುತ್ತಿನೊಳಗ. ಸತಿಯು ಮಗನ ಅಂತ ಕೂಗಿದರು ಸಾವಿ ಮಗಳು ಭಾವಿ ಮಗಳು ಕೂಡಿ. ಈ ಜಗ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮಗ ಅಮ್ಮನೊಳಗ ಅಪ್ಪನ ನೊಗ, ಅಪ್ಪನ ಕತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮನ ನೊಗನ ಅವರ ಕಂದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ದತ್ತ ಅಂದ. ನಾನು ನೀನು ಆನು ತಾನು ನಾನು ನೀನು ಆನು ತಾನು ನಾಕು ನಾಕಿ ತಂತಿ ನಾಕು ನಾಗೆ ತಂತಿ. ಆವು ಈ ಬಿನ ನಾವು ನೀವಿಗೆ ಆನುತ್ತಾನಾದ ತನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೀನಿನ ಈ ನೀ ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೇನು ಜಾಣಿನ. ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರು ಓಂ ದಂತಿ ಗಣನಾಯಕ ಮೈಮಾಯಕ ಸಹಿಸಾಯಕ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗುರಿಯ ತುಂಬಿ ಕುರಿಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಧಾತು ಮಾತು ಧಾತು ಮಾತು ಧಾತು ಮಾತು ಕೂಡಿ. ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರು ಓಂ ದಂತಿ ಗಣನಾಯಕ ಮೈಮಾಯಕ ಸೈಸಾಯಕ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗುರಿಯ ತುಂಬಿ ಕುರಿಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಧಾತು ಮಾತು ಕೂಡಿ. ಆವು ಈ ಬಿನ ನಾವು ನೀವಿಗೆ ಆನುತ್ತಾನಾದ ತನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೀನಿನ ಈ ನೀ ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೇನು ಜಾಣಿನ. ನಾನು ನೀನು ಆನು ತಾನು ನಾನು ನೀನು ಆನು ತಾನು ನಾನು ನೀನು ಆನು ತಾನು ನಾಕು ನಾಕೆ ತಂತಿ ನಾಕು ನಾಗೆ ತಂತಿ ನಾನು ನೀನು ಆನು ತಾನು ನಾನು ನೀನು ಆನು ತಾನು ನಾನು ನೀನು ಆನು ತಾನು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಹಲೋ, ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡಿ, ಭಾವನೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾಳವನ್ನು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ತಾಳದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಗುದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಶ್ರುತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ರಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ತಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಹಾಡಿದವರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಯಾವ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ? ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನನಗೆ ನೀದೆ ಮನಸ್ಸೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಕನಸಲ್ಲೇ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆರೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಕಾದು ಕಾದು ಪರಿತಪಿಸಿ ನೊಂದೆ ನಾನು, ಕಹಿಯಾದ ವಿರಹದ ನೋವು ಹಗಲಿರುಳು ತಂದೆ ನೀನು. ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಕಾದು ಕಾದು ಪರಿತಪಿಸಿ ನೊಂದೆ ನಾನು, ಕಹಿಯಾದ ವಿರಹದ ನೋವು ಹಗಲಿರುಳು ತಂದೆ ನೀನು. ಎದೆಯ ಆಸೆಯೇನೋ ಎಂದು ನೀ ಕಾಣದಾದೆ, ನಿಶೆಯೊಂದೆ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ತುಂಬಿದೆ, ಬೆಳಕೊಂದೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ನಾ ಬಯಸಿದೆ. ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನನಗೆ ನೀದೆ. ಒಲವೆಂಬ ಕಿರಣ ಬೀರಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವ ಬಣ್ಣ ತೆರೆಸಿ, ಒಣಗಿರುವ ಎದೆನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಭರವಸೆಯ ಜೀವ ಹರಿಸಿ. ಕಿರಣ ಬೀರಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವ ಬಣ್ಣ ತೆರೆಸಿ ಒಣಗಿರುವ ಎದಿರಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಭರವಸೆಯ ಜೀವ ಹರಿಸಿ ಸೆರೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಆತಂಕ ನೀಗೂ ಹೊಸ ಲೋಕ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ನಾ ತಾಳುವೆ ಹೊಸ ಲೋಕ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ನಾ ತಾಳುವೆ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನನಗೇನಿದೆ ಮನಸ್ಸೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ಕನಸೆಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆರೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನನಗೇನಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಂದು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಗುರುಗಳು ಮುರಳೀಧರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ಪರವಾಗಿಯೂ ನಾನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡಿಗಿಂತ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿನ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನವರು ಈ ಕಾಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಟೋ ಟೆನರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಂಗೀತವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಹಾಡು ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಹಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಡು.
ओ शाम कुछ अजीब थी ए शाम भी अजीब है.
This is the choir.
वो कल भी पास पास थी हो आज भी करीब है. ओ शाम कुछ अजीब थी ये शाम भी अजीब है. वो कल भी पास पास थी हो आज भी करीब है. ओ शाम कुछ अजीब थी.
Such a beautiful background music.
झुकी हुई निगाह में कहीं मेरा ख्याल था. कभी कभी हसीन एक हसीन सा गुलाल था. मैं सोच पाता मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है. मैं सोच पाता मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है. न जाने क्यों लगा मुझे मुस्कुरा रही है. ओ शाम कुछ अजीब थी. मेरा ख्याल है अभी झुकी हुई निगाह में. खिली हुई हंसी भी है दबी हुई सी चाह में मैं जानता हूँ मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है मैं जानता हूँ मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है यही ख्याल है मुझे के साथ आ रही है ओ शाम कुछ अजीब थी ये शाम भी अजीब हो कल भी पास पास भी हो आज भी करीब है ओ शाम कुछ अजीब थी धन्यवाद आज भी करीब है कुछ अजीब